Due to the fact that I was totally overloaded by all the university work I had to do this week and not programmed a lot, I've decided to make a tutorial instead. So in this video I'll tell you a little trick. Actually it's not a trick, this is just a mechanic built in Unity that will improve attack animations in your games. You may already know it, it has nothing to do with animations themselves, but with timing of dealing damage. We are going to use animation events for that. It should work for both 2D and 3D games. The idea is super simple. Instead of dealing damage at the exact same moment our attack animation starts playing, we move it to a separate function and call it at the right moment, so it looks correct visually. And that's it for the tutorial. A little feature that improves how your game looks by quite a bit. I, for example, totally forgot about it until my tutor reminded me. In the next part of the video, I'm going to tell you what I did during this week, for people who are interested in my journey as an indie game developer. This week was less productive than the previous one. The only mechanic I've implemented is better instantiating of unions. Now you can't place them on top of other creatures or walls and other obstacles. This was not difficult to do. I've added child collider and script that adds blocking object to list in onTriggerEnter method and removes them in onTriggerExit method. If the list is empty, unit can be placed, otherwise text is instantiated showing the player that he can't place creature in that spot. When you place it in scene, this child collider is being destroyed. Also, my artist has already created a mage and archer that looks like Robin Hood. Soon I will add them to the game. I've almost finished writing turn paper. There are last 3 pages that I'm going to end on this weekend. On Tuesday we had a conversation with my tutor about our cooperative project. It is going to be an arcade action game on mobile platforms. So I have to learn mobile input. And we will begin to work on it next Friday. Also did an X-ray of my neck, and I will know the results on next Thursday. And I finally decided that I want to learn some of the men's gymnastic elements. This is insanely cool in my eyes. I think that it is possible for me to do some of them in the future, of course. Right now my goals are the planche and 2 one-arm chin-ups in a row. University tasks will soon be finished. We had basically 2 exams today, and I hope that I will get both 5s. This is equivalent of A's on them. Even though I'm not going to be a manager, I want to stay an excellent student. Sorry for showing off. And unfortunately a big chunk of wall in the pit fell off and I had to dig it again. Winter is coming, and it is necessary to fix the leak as soon as possible. And that's it for this week. This video turned out to be a bit longer than I expected. I've written a script to it on the way home from university, hopefully you liked it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next week as usual. Bye.